Hello, kids! Let's start our A to Z superhero adventure. Ready? Let's go! A for America, shining bright. Stars and stripes glow in the light. B for Batman, hero of night. Flying high to make things right. C for Captain, brave and strong. Shield justice all day long. D for Dolphin, fast and free. Swimming happy in the deep blue sea. E for Elephant, big and loudly all day strong. F for Fish, swimming free, gliding through the deep blue sea. G for Groot, tiny tree, dancing happy, cute as can be.
H for Hulk, big and green, strongest hero ever seen.
I for Ice cream, yummy and sweet. J for Jaguar, strong and fast, moving through the jungle so vast. K for Calm, big and strong, roaring loud all day long.
L for Loki, clever and sly, magic tricks up to the sky. M for Mario, jumping high, collecting stars as he flies. N for Ninja, quick and smart, moving silent, playing his part. O for Optimus, leader bold, fighting for justice, brave and gold.
P for Pikachu, yellow and bright, lightning power shining light. Q for Queen, graceful and fair, shining bright with royal flair. C for Robot, shiny and new, helping humans with all they do.
S for Superman, mighty and strong, saving the day all day long.
T for Thor, thunder loud, hero mighty, brave and proud. U for Universe, endless and wide, stars and planets side by side.
V for Venom, strong but fun, playing safely with everyone.
W for Wonder Woman, brave and true, fighting for justice all day too. X for X-Men, heroes team, using their powers to live the dream. Y for Yoda, wise and small, using the Force to help us all. Z for Zombie, slow but fun, wobbling happily in the sun.